Magday.
Magday, Kuya Levi. Tapos ano, yung isa nyo si, ayun o, baka na si Makmak Bulache.
But is still by Arn. To Saturinas, 2 points. Tristan Saturinas, 2-0. But taking 3, no good. Before by Serpat. Serpat pa rin. 2 points. But Jersey, all 2. No good. Before by out of bounds. 9 minutes and 25. Good ball. No good. Before by Sir Robbie. Robbie. Pass intercepted. Willie, 2 points. Will Alcantara, 4-2. Kenneth, pass to Karn. Karn, drop pass to Tristan. Volley shot, is no good. Rebound by Karn again. Karn, 2 points. Karn. Deadlock, all 4. No good. Yeah, good job. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Reyes taking 3. No good.
Crossing.
10 seconds to shoot. 5 foul. Foul by jersey number. Out of bounds. Good ball, good ball. Good ball yan. Good ball. Good ball. Is here by Derek. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Alcantara pass to Derek. Is here by Kenneth. 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 Foul. Foul by jersey number 27. Ay, anong jersey ni Sir Jerry? 8. 7 minutes and 58. All. All 4.
That's Jero.
All 4. To Karn. 10 seconds to shoot. Tristan. Is here by Sir Jerry. Nauna na si Sir Pat. Pat. 2 points. Pat Jersey. Change favor. Out of bounds. Good ball. 7 minutes and 25. Reyes. Pass to Jersey taking 3. Air ball. Rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth. Now pass to Sir Robbie. Sir Robbie side stepping block. Pass to Sir Robbie again. 2 points. Robbie. Alin Dogan Jr. Deadlock all 6. 7 minutes exactly. 15 seconds shoot. Shot lock sa shot lock. Shout out sa ating mga boys yan. Welcome sa atin. 10 seconds to shoot. Block. 5 seconds to shoot. 2, 1. Shot clock violation po. Labas po, labas. Shot clock violation. Shot clock violation. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Shout out po. Next Sony. Happy birthday sa'yo, bro. Happy birthday sa'yo, bro. Sana mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Shout out sa'yo. Karn. Karn. 15 seconds to shoot.
Hoy!
Kenneth taking 3. No good. Rebound by Karn. No good. Rebound by Sir Derek. 6 minutes and 5 seconds.
Sino?
Laban sila. 2 points. But Jersey. Saturinas. 2 points. Tristan Saturinas. Deadlock on 8. 5 minutes and 40. 15 seconds to shoot. Urge taking 3. No good. Rebound by Santorinas. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth. 2 points. Kenneth. No good. Rebound by Santorinas again. Last possession before change. 2 points. Change court.
Haba nito eh.
Assist by Kenneth Iagen. Assist by Tristan Santorinas. Score 12-8 in favor of Team B.
Trade yan. Ha? Tayo? Hindi na.
Pat. Short number. Logie. Rebound by Sir Robbie. Sir Robbie. Pass to Kenneth. To Santorinas. To Carl.
Masakit at siyang punta.
Wow. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Good ball. Carl taking 3. No good. Rebound by Sir Urge. Pass to Sir Pat. Pat all alone. 2 points. Pat Jersey. 12-10 in favor of Indy. 2 points. Carl. 14-10. Next game, Team E versus Team F para sa ating first round. Taking 3, no good. Rebound by Santorinas. 4 minutes exactly. 4 minutes. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. To Pat. 3 minutes and 50. 2 points. Pat Jersey. 14-12. Robbie, short jumper. 2 points. Robbie, Alintoga. 16-12. 4.8 by Team B. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Derrick. 7 seconds to shoot. Robbie, rebound by Sir Robbie. To Hurt, to Kenneth. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Robbie to boys. Robbie Alintoga.
Daming bola dun. Bayad yan pa.
Oh,
May bayad yan. May bayad yan?
no good.
Oo, may bayad yan.
Wow. 2 minutes and 44.
Pang-shooting contest yan. May pag-bilhin, 200.
200 isa? 200 isa?
200 sa oras.
Ah, ano 200 isa?
Bilhin mo rin, 200. Parang pag-bilhin ka ng isa niyan. Si Boko. 200.
3, no good. Rebound by Yili. Intercepted by Sir Robbie. Robbie.
Sige sa
Out of bounds. Good ball. Good ball. 2 minutes and 10, 18-12. 6.8 by Team T.
Tatawa ako, gago eh.
Good defense by Kenneth. 10 seconds shoot. 2 points. Pat Jersey.
Lipad na bumo ka.
18-14, 4.8 by Team D. Good ball. 1 minute and 15. Shout out sa mga bros natin dyan. Nandiyan na po po yung photographer natin. Wala pa ata. Rest a Derrick Red. 1 point lead by Team D. Isa na lang po. 18-17 in favor of Team D. Steal by Sir Derrick. Wala hustle. Pero nakakuha ni Kenneth. Agad na paso sa LOP. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Bola na. Bola na ang Indy. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Good ball. 18-17 in favor of Indy. Santorinas. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal by Alcantara. 55 seconds. To serve up. 2 points. Game 3 ball.
Di ko na-videoan. Natulala ako eh.
45 seconds left.
Natulala ako.
15 seconds shoot. Foul. Foul by jersey number 12. Pat jersey. 38 seconds left. Card taking 3. No good. Rebound by Santorinas. 33 seconds. Santorinas. No good. Rebound by. Rebound by. Rebound by Sir Jerry. 26 seconds. No good. Rebound by Santorinas. 20 seconds. Shot lock off. Get it. Foul. 14 seconds. Shot lock off. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Wala na pong shot lock yan. 14 seconds. 12 seconds. No good. 8 seconds. Now na si Sir Pat. 2 points. Pat Gershi.
Alin na ito.
Yeah.